Today I will read the story Smarter and Smarter. The farm animals were standing on a hill. Goat said, "Look at that little barn. Look at that little barn on the other hill. I think I will go to the barn," says Goat. Goat ran down the hill and across a field. "Oh no, Goat is shrinking," said Cow. Goat ran farther. "Goodness me, Goat is shrinking more," says Cow. Goat ran even farther. "Oh no, now Goat has disappeared," says Cow. I will fly to the barn to find Goat," and said Duck. Duck began to fly to the barn. "Oh no, Duck is shrinking too," says Cow. Duck flew farther. "Oh no, now Duck has disappeared," said Cow. I will run to the barn and find Goat and Duck," says Pig. Pig ran to the barn. "Oh no, Pig is shrinking too," said Cow. Pig ran farther and farther. "Goodness me, now Pig is disappeared," said Cow. "I'd better to find Pig, Duck, and Goat," she said. Cow began to run toward the barn. She ran down the hill. The barn began to get bigger. Cow ran across the field. The barn became bigger and bigger. Cow reached Cow reached the barn. She could see it was a very big barn. Cow saw Pig, Duck, and Goat. They were the right side. Now they were the right size. Now that she is near them again.
Good job.
Bye.